Welcome to my comprehensive review of Ontraport, the all-in-one CRM platform tailored for businesses looking to enhance their operations. Ontraport positions itself as a top-tier tool offering automation, email marketing, sales tracking, and robust CRM features. In this video, I will explore its features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your business. Let's start with the interface. Upon logging in, the dashboard provides a clean, intuitive layout. It's designed to give you quick access to analytics, contact management, and campaign performance. The customizable widgets make it easy to prioritize the metrics that matter most to your business. Navigating between sections is smooth, with clear menus and tooltips for first-time users. One of Ontraport's standout features is its automation builder. It allows users to create intricate workflows for email marketing, customer onboarding, and lead nurturing. The drag-and-drop interface is highly visual, making it approachable even for beginners. You can set triggers, conditions, and actions, tailoring each workflow to meet your business needs. Ontraport's email marketing capabilities are another highlight. You get access to responsive templates, a robust email editor, and advanced segmentation. This ensures your campaigns are not only visually appealing but also highly targeted. The platform also offers detailed performance metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion tracking, helping you continuously refine your strategies. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video for additional insights and tools that could complement your CRM needs. Ontraport's contact management system is designed to consolidate all customer interactions in one place. Each contact record is comprehensive, including notes, tasks, email history, and even custom fields that you can define to suit your business model. Integrations with third-party apps like Zapier and WordPress further enhance its flexibility. Pricing is always a critical factor when choosing a CRM. Ontraport offers tiered plans based on the size of your contact database and the features you need. While it may seem on the higher side for smaller businesses, the value it delivers in terms of features and automation potential often outweighs the cost. Support is also worth mentioning. Ontraport provides extensive resources, including video tutorials, a knowledge base, and live support via chat and email. This ensures you're never left in the dark when navigating the platform or troubleshooting an issue. To wrap things up, Ontraport is a powerful CRM platform that excels in automation, email marketing, and comprehensive customer management. It's particularly well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on business tools and software. Your support helps me continue creating valuable content for you.